Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on the Nokia 9 PureView. For this we'll need to open a Google Play Store and here find app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Now move to the next step and grant two different permissions. Last is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. From here we can start using this app. You can see 4 different tabs right here. There's user, system, active and settings. In user you can activate any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can find all system bound apps and do the same thing. In active there's all apps that we've just activated. And in the settings we can customize our LED lamp, but first there's ads, so let's skip them. Now we can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or a color. Click on the test button and you should be able to see the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.